Hey, so if the Google Gravity trick isn't loading for you, yeah, you're not alone. Sometimes it just doesn't work due to browser settings or the way you're opening it. But don't worry. I'll walk you through a few quick fixes to get it working again. First things first, make sure you're using the correct version of the trick. The Google Gravity effect doesn't work directly on the normal Google homepage. You need to open the version created by Mr. Doob. Just search Google Gravity Mr. Doob and open the right link. Now, this part is important. Instead of pressing enter, click on I'm feeling lucky. Yeah, that's what actually triggers the effect. If it still doesn't load, the issue might be JavaScript being turned off. The gravity trick needs JavaScript to run properly. So, go to your browser settings, find privacy or site settings, and make sure JavaScript is enabled. Another common problem, browser extensions. Ad blockers or script blockers can stop the effect from loading. Try disabling them temporarily, then reload the page. If it's still not working, just switch browsers. Some browsers handle these scripts differently. Try using Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox for best results. And finally, clear your browser cache. Sometimes old data can break the page. After clearing it, reload the site and try again. So yeah, that's how you fix the Google Gravity trick not loading. One of these methods should get it working again pretty quickly. Give it a try and see which one works for you. Hey,